There were leg bends,
My legs don't do this.
and then a massage of the face and head, a new experience for both of us.
I don't know what's going on. It feels good. Well, this is a little scary because it hurts a little bit.
I seriously have never had a massage like this.
Our technician started pressing several spots on our face, around our eyes, and we noticed the techniques were much different than we were used to in the US. Chinese massage is based on the principle of qi, or life energy.
Hit follow and don't miss a moment.